ever pondered on how to drive your team to deliver high-quality projects faster and more efficiently? Or how to adapt to the ever-changing demands of the business world? The answer lies in Agile methodology, a game-changer that has revolutionized project management and software development. Welcome to the world of Agile training with BulldogAgility, an Agile certified education provider. Here, you dive into the wealth of knowledge imparted by our expert trainers, each having a tenure of over 15 years in Agile. What's more, they have earned their stripes in Big Four consulting, working across multiple industries and navigating the complex corridors of business challenges. Our trainers don't just teach, they mentor, guide, and inspire. They have been in your shoes, encountered your challenges, and emerged victorious. They bring their rich, real-world experience to the table, enabling you to benefit from their insights and lessons learned. With BulldogAgility, you gain more than just Agile training. You gain a holistic understanding of Agile principles, practices, and methodologies. You gain the ability to transform your team and your projects. You gain the confidence to tackle any business challenge that comes your way. But our commitment to your learning doesn't end there. Post-training, we support you as you apply your new knowledge in real-world scenarios. We are there for you every step of the way, ensuring that you not only understand Agile, but also live and breathe it. So why wait? Empower yourself and your team with Agile training from BulldogAgility. Discover how Agile can transform your projects, your team, and your business. Visit the BulldogAgility website today. Sign up for a course that fits your needs and get ready to embark on your Agile journey. Step into the world of Agile with BulldogAgility and let us guide you to success. Remember, in the fast-paced world of business, those who adapt succeed. Be that success story with BulldogAgility.